Hey, stop checking the general CRS scores. In 2026, a 500 plus CRS scores is no longer the strategy. Positioning is the strategy. Why? Because Canada has since moved from who wants to come to who do we need. So in this video today, I'll be breaking down the top 10 golden categories that can earn you fastest tickets to come to Canada this year. Now let's look at the old reality versus new reality. So in 2024, high CRS scores, 540 plus was the strategy, but this strategy is no longer working. In 2026, what is working is the category era. That is golden opportunities or golden categories these days. So I've divided these categories into two pillars. Pillar A. So in Pillar A, we have French language skills. That is number one. Number two, we have healthcare occupations. And number three, we have STEM occupations. Number four, we have trade occupations. Number five, we have education occupations. And in number 6 category, we have transport occupations. That is under Pillar A. So now let's look at Pillar B. Pillar B has physicians, senior managers, researchers, military occupations. So this Pillar A are for people who are outside that global audience, outside Canada. Those are the people that can fall into these 6 categories, which is category A or Pillar A. Then this Pillar B is mainly for strategic candidates. That is, those people inside of Canada. Those are the people that can use these last 4 categories to get a permanent residency in Canada in 2026. So if you are currently in Nigeria, India, Philippines, United Kingdom, or anywhere in the world and you want to come to Canada, these are your lanes. And if your job is here, your score doesn't necessarily have to be 500 plus. But if you are already in Canada on Postgraduate Work Permit Program, PGWP, or Work Permit, IRCC is looking for retention. They don't want you to go. So these draws are specifically for you in order to stop the expired permit anxiety. You get it? Now let's look at the qualification table or the qualification map for Pillar 1, specifically for those outside of Canada. In category basis, French, healthcare, STEM, trade, education, transport. For you to be eligible or to qualify, you will need 1 year work experience within the last 3 years, plus valid language tests. It could be IELTS or CELP, anyone is acceptable, plus education credential assessments, which will give you what? Eligibility for category-based draws in Canada in 2026. Now, another important thing, which is a highlight point, is the category 1, which is French. This French is the cheat code that I talked about in my other video, my previous video. The cheat code to come to Canada is French. If you have French, which is this, plus any of this category, plus French, you're already a hot cake. In fact, seamlessly under 2 months, you are in Canada. If everything goes well and all your documentations are complete, you will get invitation because Canada is currently prioritizing French-speaking immigrants. In the memo they released the last time, they gave 9% priority to all the provinces apart from Quebec, which is predominantly French-speaking province. 9% target to bring in French-speaking immigrants. That means other provinces have a target. And by 2029, they are increasing that target to 12%. 2029 is just 3 years from now. So all in all, if you have or if you are in any of this category plus French, that is the cheapest or the fastest route or the cheapest cheat code for you to come to Canada in 2026. Okay, now, so let's look at what I call the NOC Audit. Under the Pillar A that we talked about earlier, number 1 of it is French language proficiency. Requirement is NCLC Level 7 in all 4 language abilities. No specific NOC applies to this one. And it also applies to any skill or experience from 2 to 6. You can add French to it, which will give you an edge. So under the healthcare and social services occupation, this is a category-based draws that happens from time to time. We have some occupations that are hot cake under it. We have 31102, general practitioners and family physicians. And doctors. 31301, we have registered and psychiatric nurses. 32101, we have licensed practical nurses. 33102, we have nurse aides, orderlies, and patient services. These are hot cake. Then when we look at STEM occupation, which is another category draws that happens from time to time, if you are in any of these, position yourself very well, like I mentioned before. 21231, software engineers and designers. 21223, database analysts and administrators. 21211, data scientists, and 21311, computer engineers. These are skills that are in demand whenever there is any category draw under STEM. And for trade occupation, which is number 4, we have 72310, carpenters, handwork. If they pay for Canada, very important. If you know anybody that knows any of these skills, vocational skills, handwork, it's very, very important and sellable in Canada. So that's carpenters. Then 72400, construction electricians, very important. 72410, plumbers. That is another hot cake in Canada. If you have this skill, please enter the express entry pool now, right now. And we have 72106, welders and machine operators. This is another important tool. Under education occupations, we have 42202, early childhood educators, ECE, and assistants. Oh my God, this is another hot cake in Canada. If you fall to this category, just create your profile today and open your profile, EE profile, and enter the pool. If you need help or you don't know how to do it, DM me in the comment section. I will guide you through all the way till you get invited. Then 41221, elementary school teachers, and 41220, secondary school teachers. These are also key and important. Under category 6, which is also important that draws happen on, we have transport occupation, 73300, truck drivers. You see, most drivers are getting age. They are aging already. So they need replacement. Not only drivers, in all of the above categories that I've mentioned, Canada retirement age that is projected to retire between 2026 and 2028. So if you want to come to Canada, you need to position yourself in these strategic occupations to get invited, because this population are aging and they need replacement. They need people to replace them. Under transportation occupation, we have 73300, truck drivers. We have 7200, pilots and flight engineers and instructors. And we have 73100, railway conductors, which is another important occupation here. And 73200, which is tech officers and water transfers. These are very key skills to have these days if your aim is to land in Canada. So if your NOC is not in any of these above mentioned category 2 to 6, it means you are in the general draw trap. So your mission is to find your way to get into any of these codes or to learn French language. If you learn French language, you have additional points to your English language score. And if you are in any of this category plus French, you are on top of the world. And I'm very sure the smart one, the smart one, will take advantage of this. And if you like what I'm doing on this channel, please do well to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Forward to someone who might also need this. This will encourage me to produce more useful educational video like this, and also to help push this video to people who actually need this information, because I have loads of information coming your way on this channel. Just look out, whichever way you want it, however you want it, you will get it from the KD Gist. And I'm here to serve you anytime, any day. If you have any question, clarifications, please drop it in the comment section and I'll be right there to do justice to them, to answer you. I will see you in my next video. Signing out.